Got an AFL file from a trading community or strategy developer? This is a custom financial analysis script that could give you an edge in the markets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, run, and customize these AmiBroker trading formulas. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value AFL file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. AFL files are formula script files written in the AmiBroker Formula Language used by AmiBroker technical analysis and trading software. They contain custom indicators, scanning criteria, exploration formulas, backtesting strategies, and automated trading system code that analysts and traders use to analyze financial market data and generate trading signals. AFL files use plain text encoding containing AmiBroker Formula Language syntax with built-in array processing functions, technical indicator calculations, plot statements for chart rendering, and trading system functions. The language supports bar-by-bar and array-based processing paradigms, with access to price volume and indicator data arrays. The ideal software for creation and opening of AFL is AmiBroker from AmiBroker. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows offers code visibility, but meaningful use requires a compatible script engine. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the AFL file and choose Open With. If you have AmiBroker available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. If the AFL file won't open, don't panic. We know the AFL format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, opening in AmiBroker. Launch AmiBroker and open the AFL file using File, then open in the Formula Editor window. The code appears with syntax highlighting showing functions, variables, and plot commands. Apply the formula to a chart by clicking Apply Indicator or insert it into the analysis window for scanning exploration or backtesting operations. Next, editing and testing. Edit AFL formulas in AmiBroker's built-in formula editor or open them in an external editor like Notepad++ with custom AFL syntax highlighting. Modify indicator parameters, strategy rules, or display settings and click. Apply to see changes reflected immediately on the chart. Use the exploration function to test formula output across multiple symbols. Finally, backtesting strategies. In AmiBroker, open the analysis window and load your AFL trading strategy file. Configure backtesting parameters including date range commission settings and portfolio constraints. Click Backtest to simulate the strategy against historical data. Review the detailed backtest report, including equity curve trade list and performance statistics. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.